Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today, we are talking about the legendary Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, an engine that holds a special place in motorcycle history. Even though Harley doesn't produce it in 2025, riders still rebuild and customize it to keep its classic spirit alive. History of the Shovelhead. The Shovelhead engine was produced from 1966 to 1984. It came as a 45-degree V-twin, first with a 74 cubic inch, 1,200 cubic centimeters, and later the more powerful 80 cubic inch, 1,340 cubic centimeters version. Its unique design and raw power made it one of Harley's most iconic engines. Performance and features. In stock form, the Shovelhead delivered around 48 to 65 horsepower with 80 to 90 Newton-meters of torque. It was air-cooled, ran on a carburetor, and used an old-school points ignition system, which many riders now upgrade to electronic ignition for reliability. Modern 2025 custom builds. While a 2025 Shovelhead doesn't officially exist, custom builders still create stunning modern versions using original or reproduction engines by S&S or Ultima. These bikes often come with S&S or Mikuni carburetors, LED lighting, upgraded suspension, disc brakes, custom bobber or chopper styling. Market value today. Depending on condition, a restored Shovelhead in 2025 can cost between $10,000 and $30,000, and high-end show bikes can go even higher. Collectors love it for its classic look, deep rumbling sound, and old-school Harley character. Closing. The Harley-Davidson Shovelhead isn't just an engine, it's a piece of American motorcycle heritage. Whether restored or customized, it continues to inspire riders around the world even today. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.